Bienvenue. Welcome. Bienvenue. Sometimes you might hear a Haitian say, bienvenue. That is French, Creole. You can just say, bienvenue. Okay, there are 2 videos with practice drills because I wanted to make sure that we focus on the possession-possessor with past tense practice drill. And I also wanted to make sure that we focus on the forms of the with the past tense practice drill. I don't want to introduce new concepts and grammatical teachings and have you forget the others. So that's why there are so many practice drills in Leçon 7, Leçon 8, and Leçon 9. It is for you to get the tenses down with possession-possessors, to get the tenses down with the forms of the, and then you have your general practice sentences per lesson for you to get your tenses down with the vocabulaire from what you have learned in that lesson. So our first one is practice sentences with possession-possessor using family and the verbs from Leçon 2. Because I don't want you to forget those. Practice makes perfect. You can also memorize your vocabulary by downloading CRAM. I'm saying that again, your CRAM app. This is the flashcard drills that gets you through. Now I'm going to say a sentence in Creole, and then I'm going to translate it. Some of you will want to pause to write down what I have said. After that, I'm going to say the sentence for you to translate the whole thing. If I break it down, it means it's a little more tricky what I'm saying, but I'm using very short sentences just so that you can remember the possession comes before the possessor, mother belonging to her, for you to remember that rule. And I am just using family vocabulaire, which you know is in your premier leçon. I am using te in every single sentence so that you know whatever action or descriptor is happening, it is in the past. So I'm keeping this very slow, short, simple. Okay. Première phrase. Première phrase means first sentence. Phrase means sentence. Première phrase. Famille mwen te benyen. My family belonging to me, bathed or took a bath. Te benyen, past tense, bathe. Répétez. Famille mwen te benyen. Deuxième phrase. Petite fille te chita. Her daughter sat. Petite fille belonging to Lee. Petite fille Lee. Daughter belonging to her. Chita, to sit. But te went in front of it, so that made it sat down. Sat. Répétez. Petite fille te chita. Troisième phrase. Frère ou te dansé. Your brother danced. Brother belonging to you. Frère ou, past tense, te dansé. Répétez. Frère ou te dansé. OK? Quatrième phrase. Ti garçon nou te dormi. Our son slept. Slept. I think I said slapped. Slept. Ti garçon belonging to nous. Son belonging to us. Past tense, te dormi. Sleep. Te dormi means slept. Répétez. Ti garçon nou te dormi. Cinquième phrase. Grand-père yo te campé. Their grandpa stood up. Grand-père yo, grandfather belonging to them. Te, camper, past tense, stand, stand up. Stood, stood up. Répétez, grand-père yo te campé. Sixième phrase. Grand-mouin te couché. My grandma slept. Well, my grandma laid down. Laid down. You can say that. Grand-mère belonging to moi. Grandmother belonging to me. Te couché. Past tense. Lay down. Grand-mère moi te couché. Répétez. Grand-mère moi te couché. OK? Septième phrase. Cousin li te couri. Male cousin belonging to him ran. Te couri. Past tense run. Répétez. Cousin li te couri. Répétez to run. Couri. Cousin li te couri. Huitième phrase. Cousine te leve. Your female cousin got up. Leve means to get up. Te leve made it past tense. Got up. Remember, leve also means to lift. When you lift your body up, you get up. Répétez, cousine ou te leve. Neuvième phrase. Madame moi te parti. My wife departed, as in traveled, or went out on a long journey. Madame moi, possession-possessor, wife belonging to me. Te parti. Past tense, depart. Departed. Répétez, Madame moi te parti. Dixième phrase. Mari ou te prié. Your husband prayed. To pray is prier, but when you put te in front of it, it means prayed. Past tense, pray. Prayed. Remember, te doesn't mean was. It can be used as was because was indicates past tense. But it is that ed in that verb, prayed. It makes the word or phrase after it past tense. Répétez, Mari ou te prié. Onzième phrase, the 11th phrase. Neve moi te réveiller. My nephew woke up. Nephew belonging to me. Neve moi, past tense. Te réveiller. Wake up. So now it's te and réveiller. Woke up. Neve moi te réveiller. Répétez. Neve moi te réveiller. All right, go ahead and like this video. Listen to this over and over again because now you're tackling three things: possession, possessor rule, past tense, and your family vocabulary. Actually, 4 things. Your action words from Leçon 2. I'm so proud of you. Now, the next video is basically drilling past tense. But this time, we're using the forms of the because I think it's really important to keep drilling those until you feel like you remember all the forms of the. And we are using still the action words from Leçon 2, and we are using some of the words from Leçon 5 because it's good to learn some adjectives, okay? So the forms of the with some family members, but some of the words from Leçon 5. some of the nouns and some of the descriptors, the adjectives, and definitely the past tense. Okay, like the video, I will see you on the next practice drill for past tense. Au revoir.